Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best Dario blood glucose monitoring system is probably one of the most advanced and user-friendly devices available today, designed to empower individuals with diabetes to take control of their health with unprecedented ease and accuracy, offering a seamless integration into daily life for effortless tracking and management of blood glucose levels. Number 5. Dario 100 Blood Glucose Test Strips. Introducing the Dario 100 Blood Glucose Test Strips. Designed for precise and reliable readings every time. These strips are exclusively compatible with the Dario monitor. Experience a seamless connection for your testing needs. Each pack contains 25 test strips, ensuring you have an ample supply. This convenient packaging makes management easy. You'll receive 4 of these 25 strip packs, offering excellent value. This bulk quantity ensures you're well stocked for extended use. Take control of your health with these essential testing supplies. They are a crucial part of managing your diabetes effectively. Simply use them with your Dario monitor for straightforward testing. Get the dependable results you need to stay informed. What we like. These test strips are specifically designed for the Dario monitoring system. If you already own a Dario monitor and need a reliable supply of test strips, this 100 count pack offers excellent value and ensures you won't run out during your regular testing routine. What people say. The Dario system is a unique all-in-one glucose meter that plugs directly into your smartphone. The app automatically records your readings and provides charts and graphs to track your progress. Number 4. Dario 100 Sterile Lancets, 30 gauge. Ensure you have enough supplies for your needs with 100 sterile lancets in every box. You can measure your glucose levels with confidence. Using it is simple and safe thanks to the easy-to-twist off top. This 30-gauge lancet is designed for your convenience. You have control over your comfort. Adjust the puncture depth by simply moving the lever between levels 1 and 4. You only need a tiny drop of blood, just 0.3, to get your results. See your glucose levels in as little as 6 seconds. These lancets are specifically made for the Dario monitoring system. They ensure compatibility and optimal performance. What we like. With 100 sterile lancets, this pack ensures you have a fresh, safe lancet for every test. The adjustable depth feature makes it comfortable for different skin types, and it only requires a tiny drop of blood. If you prioritize a comfortable and hygienic testing experience with your Dario monitor, these are the ones to get. What people say. The Dario system is a very convenient and easy-to-use blood glucose meter. I love how small and portable the Dario meter is. It fits right in my pocket. The app syncs seamlessly with my phone, making it easy to track my glucose levels over time. Number 3. OneTouch Verio Reflect Blood Glucose Meter Kit. Introducing the OneTouch Verio Reflect Kit, your all-in-one solution for diabetes management. It includes everything you need for convenient blood sugar testing. Get fast and accurate readings in about 5 seconds with its bright, easy-to-read display. This meter provides the clarity you need for your health. Experience comfortable testing with the gentle lancing system. It requires only a small blood sample for everyday monitoring. This smart monitor connects to the OneTouch Reveal app, allowing you to track your results effortlessly. It creates a connected system for better diabetes management. From LifeScan, a leader with over 40 years in diabetes care, comes a simple, accurate, and trustworthy solution. We are dedicated to your well-being. What we like. This is a comprehensive blood sugar testing kit that includes everything you need to get started. The smart tracking feature, which syncs with a mobile app, is a huge plus for monitoring trends. If you're looking for an all-in-one solution with connected capabilities and a user-friendly interface, this kit is a great choice. What people say. The Dario system is a complete package with the meter, strips, and lancets all in one small device. It is very convenient to use, as it connects directly to your smartphone, eliminating the need for separate devices. The app provides detailed tracking and analysis of your blood glucose levels, making it easy to monitor your health. Number 2. Dario Glucose Control Solution Levels 1 and 2. Ensure the accuracy of your glucose readings with our reliable control solution. It's designed to verify the performance of your test strips. This solution is specifically formulated for use with test strips designed for both level 1 and level 2 glucose ranges. It provides a consistent benchmark for testing. Using our control solution is straightforward. Simply apply it like a blood sample to calibrate your meter and confirm its accuracy. Rely on this solution for consistent and dependable results every time you test. It helps you maintain confidence in your glucose monitoring. This control solution is an essential accessory for your Dario glucose monitoring system. It ensures your meter and strips are working optimally together. What we like. This control solution is essential for ensuring the accuracy of your Dario test strips. It's specifically designed for levels 1 and 2. If you want to regularly verify that your Dario monitoring system is performing accurately, this control solution is a must-have accessory. What people say. The Dario system is a smart meter that plugs into your smartphone and uses an app to track your blood glucose. It is very convenient as it is all in one unit, no separate meter, no strips, no Lancets, no logbook needed. The app provides a lot of useful information and charts, and it is easy to share reports with your doctor. Number 1. LinkSun G-425-2V Blood Glucose Monitor Kit. Introducing the LinkSun G-425-2V Blood Glucose Monitor Kit, your all-in-one solution for accurate and easy blood sugar testing. It's designed for simplicity and reliability. Experience peace of mind with its advanced technology, ensuring highly accurate results that comply with international standards. You can rely on it for consistent performance. Forget complicated setups. This device features a no-coding design, making testing as simple as inserting a strip. We also provide clear guides and video tutorials for any assistance you might need. Get your results in just 5 seconds. It offers adjustable lancing strengths and depths to ensure a comfortable testing experience tailored to your needs. The large, clear display makes reading your results effortless, especially for seniors. Everything you need is presented clearly and concisely. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need: the meter, Lancets, strips, control solution, and a convenient travel case. Managing your diabetes has never been easier or smarter. What we like. This kit provides a complete set for blood glucose monitoring, including 100 test strips and Lancets, plus a convenient travel bag. The large display makes it easy to read results, and the no-coding design simplifies the testing process. If you're looking for a user-friendly, accurate, and value-packed kit with a clear display, especially for seniors, this is an excellent option. What people say. The Dario system is a unique all-in-one glucose meter that fits into your smartphone. It is a very small and convenient device that you can carry around with you easily. The Dario system is a very accurate and reliable glucose meter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.